Anyway, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. As you can tell, we are playing more Animal Company, but as you can hear by the background sounds, we are not playing alone. We are playing, you know what, just come in, Spice. Get down here, boy. What the hell was that? Anyway, as you can tell by the title, we are not doing any new updates. We are just going to be exploring the Haunted Mansion.
Happy, happy, happy.
It's not a very happy place.
Man.
Okay, anyway. We're gonna need some mining equipment, but luckily my whole stash is filled with this kind of stuff.
And yes, we do not have that special guest again who calls this guy Mr. Gammon.
I remember that day vividly.
I'm gonna keep exposing Jensen
Tell you what.
until he gives it.
Tell you what. I'm going to
I've got absolutely nothing in my stash.
Okay, you take that grappler, and we are not going to use backpacks,
Yes,
we're going to be using nut shredders. So like, open it like a bag and it like shreds anything you put that. I'll show you, ready? Don't put that in.
Okay.
Put the bag in. There you go. See, it gets money.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
You will also
Very
be
loud.
requiring a pickaxe.
Okay. Thank you.
And
very
for
much.
me, because I have the hip slots unlike this geezer, I'll be taking a weird glow stick.
You have what? Where do you get that?
Don't ask. I did some very, very, very intense training and totally didn't just buy a bundle or anything. Alright, so the Haunted Mansion is in the deepest, darkest areas of the forest.
Oh nah.
Oh yes.
I don't like scary things.
Well, too bad.
Like literally, do you remember when we first played Animal Company? We went in the office. Hell no, that guy looked creepy as hell.
Bro, you quoted it. You quoted what you said.
I know. He's creepy though. He's
Hey,
not
go
creepy.
on the sides of the walls.
What is this?
Because you can dodge the landmines. Hello guys.
Oh, it's
Do you want to see something cool about these glow sticks? They don't really have any gravity.
It's these pinatas from last video.
Are you ready?
Alright.
Alright, are you ready to go into the deepest, darkest areas?
Yeah. Fine.
Where is the haunted?
Nothing. What is this? No,
I found it.
Trolls are my worst enemy.
Oh my god. Where are you?
That's
Spice.
legit tripping, I'm not doing it.
Check down here.
No, don't take it. No.
Oh my god, there's landmines in there.
Is there jump scares?
Only some.
I don't like this.
Hey, grapple on top,
Wait,
grapple on top, grapple on top! Don't worry, it's just a flashbang.
Is there jump scares?
No, actually, there's only one. Over here. Why the hell did I just take damage? Oh. Down here. Alright. It's over here, bro. No one does. No. Don't bother about that. No, you know. Where was it, bro? Where's the key?
I don't know. I have not played this game before.
Oh, look. I found it. Oh my god, why is there no gravity? Alright, we got it. We got the key. Let's go. Spicy boy. Let's go.
Yeah.
Ow, stop hitting me. Ready? Watch this. Are you ready?
No.
Don't worry, there's nothing scary down here. Alright. Don't go in, don't step into that, you will take damage. You see that, so you see where the core is? Don't go near that. And don't grab the blue crystals because it will become all distorted. Nah, I ain't going for that. I might go for that one though. No, the red ones aren't as good. We'll get red ones if we have to. What's what? Okay, we're getting decent money. Oh, how are we supposed to get that? Oh, blue. What'd you say? Wait, how much do I have? Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay, it looks like our last resort are these red ones, but that's okay. Yeah, just shred them. Okay, oh, there's more red ones over here. This is a pretty decent place to go for money. It's not the best place, but you can get some quick money out of it as well. Alright, follow me. No, do it down. Oh wait, I might want to get them real quick though.
One yellow takes two.
Okay, follow me though, like very precisely down here. Just hang on to the bottom of this. Grapple down to the bottom of this. And just slowly grapple this way. Alright, you ready? Then just drop down. Down into here. Then there's more crystals. Alright, let me get them. Alright, I got every red crystal, you can get some now. Oh god. The gravity. You kind of left your. I was gonna say you kind of left your pickaxe. I'll mine all of them for you.
I'll lift the pickaxe in.
These ones are fine to grab, just don't grab the blue ones. Yeah, just get all of these, if that's alright. Okay, if you don't get much from this, we can just go back down. Should we go back down?
What do you mean?
Like, just jump down.
Sure.
Let's go. Oh, your thing's still on.
Huh?
The shredder's still on, still like that. Alright, you ready? Grapple onto this and get on top. You ready? Let go. Saw bro flash before my eyes. Alright, let's do this. Watch this, ready? Oh god. Oh hell no. Put that in. Go on, put it in, put it in, put it in. I did every single one but that. Come on! How much we get? Okay, 11,549 nuts. That is not bad actually. So that was pretty much the main objective for this entire video. So if you want to see more Animal Company, Gorilla Tag, Scary Baboon, etc., make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we upload. And also share this to anyone that you know, so that we can become a lot more popular, and we will be able to make a lot better videos. Like, you know,
we're trying to become popular, like really.
Like we're trying to get jman attention, but that hasn't worked so far.
We're trying to get like money. We're trying to get like cash attention.
Yeah. So jman, if you're watching this, please collab, bro. Like, like please, jman, please. But that will be it for today, and I will see you guys soon. Roll the outro.